Now I introduce the product is our chlorine filters. This is our chlorine filters, and you can see we have two different sizes of these products. This is CL100 and this is CL200, and you can see about the size. And this is the covers. Just put the chemical in there. And about the C100, the capacity is 4.2 pounds and is almost 2 kilograms. And this one, CL200, the capacity is 9 pounds. It's about 4 kilograms. And about the inster, we have two different insters. This is for offline and this is inline. Inline is the connector with the hose.